I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Sterlyhair. This is actually my first collaboration with them, so I'm super excited to be working with them for the first time on my channel. I know you guys have seen a lot of these wigs, so you already know what the concept is with wear and go, but today we wanted to level up this wear and go wig. I have installed today a 24-inch 5x5 glueless unit, dome cap style, whatever you want to call it, okay? That's what I have installed.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
So that's how it looks now. Ooh, this is tight. This is extra tight. Well, it looks pretty good, glueless, but the lace is kind of sticking up right here. So I am definitely gonna secure the sides. Have to do a bit of plucking because this hairline is more full.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but
I'm gonna do just this section here, and then I think that should be enough.
someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe.
Going in with the Eco Styling Gel because it works really well for baby hairs. If you haven't tried it already, you should.
Gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die.
Let's see if we add a little braid here.
Up on my dream.
Did I forget how to braid? But I want to do something different, but like at the same time, I don't know.
Till the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too.
And that's kind of cute, actually. Okay. So, should we do that on the other side? I wish I did a cleaner part, though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm almost tempted to do it again. Like, why didn't I just do that? I should have just done that.
Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it. They don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chase
I'm gonna go in with my palette just to make sure everything is uniform. That actually turned out super cute. I like that. I didn't have any idea what I was gonna do with this wig, but that is cute. We bleached the knots and then I did secure her, but I plucked that much hair out of the lace. The hair started here and I plucked half an inch of hair out of that to give it a more natural hairline. And I think it looks so cute. If you want to wear it up, you can do it like that. Like, this is a cute look. It almost looks like it could be a frontal styled like this. That's just a cute little style that we decided to do just to switch it up a bit. The density on this unit is 180%. It is true to that. It is very, very full. It's jet black. It's beautiful. I love jet black wigs. The curls feels relatively soft. I do want to also mention that the lace is quite thick on this wig. If you're going to wear it in the wear and go style, it's going to flap up in some spots. So I decided to secure it. I want to highlight the wig in the best way possible. I want to show you guys, you know, some options. So obviously you saw what it was looking like when it was not secured down, and then you saw what it looks like obviously now that it's secured. And I could still see some sections here where the lace is still curling up. If you wanted to really melt her down, you can just put on a melting band and put some melting spray. Oh gosh, my eyebrow. I can feel this eyebrow, this one eyebrow going like ying. It's not supposed to be like that. Ugh. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's so much better. I didn't realize that until now. That's the convenient thing about these wigs, and when you're done with it, you can literally just take it off and go. It's a very beautiful wig, and I love the quick application process. It doesn't take long, even if you're gonna secure it like I did today. It takes literally no time. So that's pretty good. I would say you should definitely check it out if this is something that you might be into. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye.